Scarcity and abundance battle.
No. Yes. Pew, 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 pew.
Ever feel like you're stuck in a rut? Let's explore why some dancers thrive and others barely survive. In the world of dance, mindset is everything. Let's begin by breaking down what a scarcity mindset looks like. Have you ever felt like opportunity is scarce? Like there's not enough gigs or recognition or support going around? A scarce mindset breeds fear and competition. Dancers that are trapped in this mindset hoard opportunity. Fear that someone else's success means failure. Studies have shown that 80% of dancers that have a scarcity mindset experience increased stress and anxiety. This vicious cycle of thinking stifles creativity and collaboration. Now let's flip the script. What does abundance mindset look like? Abundance mindset is anchored in confidence and collaboration. Dancers with this mindset believe in the abundance of opportunity and are willing to share and uplift. There's some research that indicates that dancers with an abundance mindset are 40% more likely to achieve success and fulfillment. And they're also 50% more likely to form strong professional connections and partnerships. Now, I know the struggle it is to battle a scarcity mindset. I've come from a competitive background and often felt like success was out of reach. But through sheer will of wanting to succeed in the industry, I gradually shifted towards an abundance mindset and have never looked back. So, which one are you going to be? Do you really believe there's not enough opportunity out there? Or are you ready to succeed by opening up and letting the world in? So I encourage you to take a second and look around your environment and make sure that positivity and that abundance attitude is there. Take a second to reflect inside at your self-dialogue. Not only does the research support it, but all of those beautiful, amazing, professional artists out there that you love, they have this mindset.
No. Yes. Pew, pew, pew.